Hey, I am your host. Welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about the Gran Turismo error code E2-CE210610. The error reads, "Something went wrong." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players experience a connection error during gameplay, which forces them into offline mode. Some players also shared that the game freezes and they can't connect. According to our research, the error may occur because of unstable internet, outdated console software, outdated game version, or server issues. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your console along with the internet and ensure a stable internet connection. If possible, also try switching between wireless and wired connection and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the PlayStation console software. If so, then install the pending update and check for the error again. If the error persists, then check if you need to update the game. If the game needs to be updated, then update the game and check for the error. If the error continues, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and try again. At last, if nothing helps, then go to status.playstation.com/n-us and check if the PlayStation servers are down. If so, then wait for some time till PSN server comes back to normal and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.